Understanding vegetable stock, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, vegetable stock. This phrase is commonly used in cooking and recipes, and understanding it can enhance your culinary vocabulary in English. Let's dive in and learn about what it means and how it's used. Vegetable stock is a flavorful liquid used as a base in many dishes. It's made by simmering vegetables and herbs in water. Key ingredients often include carrots, onions, celery, and various herbs. The purpose of vegetable stock is to add depth and flavor to meals, such as soups, sauces, and risottos. Unlike broths, stocks are typically not eaten on their own but used as a foundation in cooking. Making vegetable stock is simple and versatile. You start by gathering vegetables and herbs, then roughly chopping them. These are then simmered in water for about 1 to 2 hours. The key is to cook it long enough for the flavors to infuse into the water. After simmering, the solids are strained out, leaving behind a clear, flavorful liquid. Homemade stock can be more flavorful and healthier than store-bought versions, as it allows you to control the ingredients and salt content. Vegetable stock is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It's commonly used in soups and stews, as a base to add richness, sauces, to deepen the flavor, cooking grains, like rice or quinoa, adding more flavor than water, braising vegetables, providing a flavorful liquid for cooking. Understanding how to use vegetable stock can significantly enhance your cooking skills and flavors in your dishes. That's all about vegetable stock. I hope this video has been informative and helps you in both your English learning journey and your culinary adventures. Remember, cooking terms like this are not just about food, but also about culture and language. Happy learning and cooking! See you in our next video.